Oh, hello everybody. I am the Genie wife. I'm beautiful, I'm nice, just like him. If you guys watch this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you. Hi guys, it's me, Millen here, and I'm already put on my wig cap and block my eyebrow. And I'm also mixing the blue body paint for this makeup. And then I just painting the blue color all over my face and my body. Yeah, 2 layers are perfect. Next, I'm trying to put on my yellow contacts, and I'm kinda look like Mystic in X-Men. I'm using the dark blue body paint of Maroon and draw the eyebrow. I draw it really high in arch. Yeah, very high, higher than my real brow a lot. And next, I'm using the red face pen and applying it on my eyelid. And it looks like a very thick eyeliner with a nice wing at the corner. And then I'm cutting my crease with a black eyeshadow and blending it out. Now with a tiny brush and a gold shimmery face pen, I'm going to cutting the crease again between the black and the red color. Next, I'm drawing the eyeliner with the black face pen, and don't forget to apply it on the lower lash line and blending it out with the black eyeshadow. Next, I'm using the light pink shimmering eyeshadow and apply it on my eyelid and stick the star sticker on my lower lash line. And then I'm curling my lashes and apply a very big eyelashes to make my eyes stand out. Time for contour. I'm using the blue shadow to contour my cheeks, my forehead, and my nose. I want my nose and my face look slimmer. And then I'm using the black eyeshadow and blend it again. For the lips, I'm using the orange face pen and applying it over my lips and shading the outer corner with a brown shadow. Now I'm just applying the orange glitter on my lips to make it shiny and sparkle. And I'm painting my body again, and yes, I finished my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye. I gotta go. See you guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye.